Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting topic that has been debated for quite some time now. Will ChatGPT replace Google? But before proceeding further, subscribe to our channel so that you get the latest updates of what's going in the world first. Now, let's dive right in. Firstly, let's understand what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT is a language model that uses artificial intelligence, AI, and natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to human language. It has been trained on vast amounts of data and can generate human-like responses to a wide range of questions and prompts. However, ChatGPT is not a search engine like Google. Instead, it is designed to have conversations with users and provide personalized responses based on the context of the conversation. Now, coming back to the question of whether ChatGPT will replace Google, the answer is no. ChatGPT is not designed to replace Google, and it cannot perform all the functions that Google does. While ChatGPT is great for conversations and providing personalized responses, it cannot replace Google's search capabilities, which are based on complex algorithms and crawlers that index and rank websites based on relevance and authority. Google's search engine is a massive operation that indexes billions of web pages, uses complex algorithms to rank them based on relevance and authority, and provides users with a wide range of results to choose from. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is designed to have conversations with users and provide personalized responses based on the context of the conversation. While ChatGPT can provide users with answers to specific questions, it cannot provide the range and depth of results that Google can. Moreover, Google's search engine is constantly evolving and improving. Google invests heavily in research and development to improve its search algorithms, and it has access to vast amounts of data that it uses to improve its results. ChatGPT, while impressive in its own right, is still a relatively new technology, and it has a long way to go before it can match the scale and complexity of Google's search engine. Another important point to consider is that Google is much more than just a search engine. It is a massive company with a wide range of products and services, including Gmail, Google Maps, Google Drive, and YouTube, just to name a few. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a language model developed by OpenAI, and while it has the potential to be integrated into various products and services, it is still a standalone technology. So, to summarize, while ChatGPT is an impressive technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and machines, it is not designed to replace Google. Google's search engine is a complex and constantly evolving technology that has been developed over many years, and it provides users with a wide range of results and services that ChatGPT cannot match. In conclusion, while ChatGPT and Google are both impressive technologies in their own right, they are designed to perform different functions and serve different purposes. ChatGPT is designed to have conversations with users and provide personalized responses, while Google is a massive search engine that provides users with a wide range of results and services. So, the answer to the question of whether ChatGPT will replace Google is a resounding no.